Okay, so to introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Christina and I work on a project named Tic-Tac-Toe. I got the idea from my school. My friends think about it and then play with me. So I want to do this project on Python. First, I draw the board here, and then I will choose which square I want to pick.
Okay, good. And how would you want to make it better?
I just want to, if I do this project next time, and then I think I will add some colors and then draw some characters like rabbits and turtle to draw this circle or cross.
Okay. Thank you, Christina.
Then